Well, this looks very shiny and impressive in here. What am I looking at? It looks kind of like marble. But
So what you're seeing here, this is a quartz work surface. About 80% of our work is supply of quartz worktops. We've also introduced doing ceramic worktops as well now, so they're quite new to the market.
So ceramics, quartz and granite.
Correct, yeah.
How does the process work then? Because I've seen them in the yard, you know, all these lovely slabs. I've seen it being cut. But how do I, as a customer, go about getting this on my carcasses, if you like?
So normally what we'll do is we'll quote you for a few different options that you would like initially.
Right.
When the guys come to do the digital template and final measuring, they bring a full range of all the samples to your home. So then you can look at all the different options in your own kitchen, and then we just ring you a day or two later to confirm the colour before we start cutting the job.
That's interesting. So you need to have a kitchen fitted before you can come and measure it up or template it. Does that not put a big delay on it?
So from that initial visit where we come to your home and measure your worktops, we're back within 5 working days.
Really?
As fast as that, yeah.
So for me as a customer, all I need to worry about is the colour then?
The difficult task of picking the colour, yeah, absolutely.
And you've got lots to show me, I take it?
We have, yeah, sure, feel free.
Thank you very much.